Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download and set up a privacy-focused email like Proton Mail, complete guide step by step clearly. To download and set up a privacy-focused email like Proton Mail, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.protonmail.com and press enter. Once the page loads, look for the Sign Up button prominently displayed on the home page. Click the Sign Up button to proceed to the registration options. You will see different plans available, including a free option. Select the free plan by clicking on the corresponding button. Scroll down to find the registration form where you need to create your account. Fill in your desired username, which will be your email address. Next, create a strong password for your account. Make sure to follow the password guidelines provided for maximum security. After filling in your details, click on the Create Account button to move forward. Proton Mail will prompt you to verify your account. You can choose to verify via a phone number or recovery email. If you opt for phone verification, enter your number and click Send Code. Retrieve the code sent to your phone and enter it into the designated field. If you choose email verification, follow the instructions sent to your recovery email. Once your account is verified, you will be directed to your new Proton Mail inbox. To enhance your account security, consider enabling two-factor authentication. Go to Settings by clicking on the gear icon in the top right corner. Select Security from the Settings menu. Find the option for two-factor authentication and follow the prompts to set it up. Now that your account is secure, familiarize yourself with the interface. Explore the various folders such as Inbox, Sent, and Drafts. To compose a new email, click the Compose button typically located in the upper left corner. Fill in the recipient's email address, subject, and message body. For added privacy, consider using end-to-end encryption options available when sending emails. You can also explore advanced features under settings like custom folders and filters. Review the privacy policies provided by Proton Mail for further assurance. As you use your account, remember to regularly update your password. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.